it's alright, yeah. I'm walking right beside you. I feel the way that you do too. Oh, I can't lie. Sometimes everything feels like it's just too much, but you gotta let it in, even if it's tough. No, it gets better, no, it gets better. Push
MrBeast! Welcome to your final test. I'm MrBeast. We can scrap the S, cause I've never missed a beat. You had to come from honey under threat of a gun blast. When I had to come from honey, that's another check that I'm gone. Cash, you're coming last. Number one is conveniently dumb. You have is horribly written. You're accomplice, cause you fought the godless. They should have became the best, but the consequence that you got to live with is you paid their debt. So to pay your debt, I apply you get into this game, you won't get rich. I'm like your mama, I'm dead sick. Then check the gaming channel, millions of children watch it. How'd you win all that one kid, but not custody of one kid? Did you think you'd get it back with that lighter you bought it? You're playing tug of war with your ex, but the rope is your daughter. So stupid saying we'll show you the light. You didn't go to SNU, that's right. If the task was less to get backstabbed by a pound, you wouldn't make it through the night. When I feast, I don't need a suit and tie. Rather with gold than the food I try. Utter a word, then you will die. Save those nuts for PewDiePie.
This is the next test to make us fighting for survival. But instead of a kiddie game, we'll be playing this man-child. You put his fragile like glass, I will smash it if you push me. Made your fortune from subscribers, now give them their fucking cookies. You've done all this good, you fed lives in need, bright to get by. Each time gay violence, sweet vibes, let high tree stripes, set headlines, being nice when you spread vibes. Inside, put it in by MrBeast lines, so you make 10 times what you leave, guys. Only ever moving when you're on the set side of a king child, like an anti-red light, green light. Don't talk about words, you don't get any. You're like, I spent at least $10,000 rent to people out to pretend to be friends with me. I wonder why VIPs had to hide their face behind plastic. Now that I see this bastard, I get what the point of the mask is.
I just replaced all of Gion's surviving friends with Legos.
Jimmy, there aren't any Legos.